As a teenager growing up in the modern world, you've got plenty of ways to make money online. You can use sites like Swagbucks and MyPoints to get rewarded for completing surveys and activities, or take advantage of platforms like TikTok and Snapchat. You can even develop content creation skills or flip Instagram accounts. Here are 5 of the best ways to make money online as a teen. Number 1. Participating in paid surveys and rewards sites. One of the most popular ways to make money online as a teen is to participate in paid surveys and rewards sites like Swagbucks, MyPoints, and LifePoints. Sites like these allow you to complete surveys and other activities to earn points, then exchange them for prizes, rewards, and even cash. Some of these sites have a minimum age requirement, usually 13 or 18, so make sure to check before you sign up. Number 2. Sell your template designs. If you've got creative skills and can design digital templates, you could make a great profit selling them online. Template designs are one of the hottest sellers in the digital market, and you could make anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 from a single template design. There's no limit to how many template designs you can sell, so start marketing yourself today. Number 3. Creating content for TikTok and Snapchat. Creating entertaining video content for popular social media platforms is another great way for teens to make money online. Platforms such as TikTok and Snapchat give users the opportunity to share their pictures and videos with the world and make a little money in the process. Teens who are interested in content creation need to be at least 13 years old to create accounts on these websites. Number 4. Content creation. If you're looking for a way to make money from your phone, content creation might be the answer. Whether you're a poet, an artist, a photographer, or someone who loves coming up with unique and creative ideas, this could be a great way for you to make money. Sites like Patreon offer you a platform to market your content and start earning money. Number 5. Instagram flipping. Flipping Instagram accounts is a great way to make money as a teen. Instagram is a popular social media platform, and some people will pay a lot of money for an account that has a large number of followers. You can buy an Instagram account with little money, then resell it for a larger amount. The key to success is to find accounts with a loyal following, so start researching now. These are just 5 of the many ways teens can make money online. With a little creativity and determination, you can turn your online skills into profit and start making money as a teen. If you liked the video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.